Hello everyone, welcome to our live show. I'm Amy.
I'm Cassie.
Thank you for coming to our channel.
This is the WT-C9F wireless car charger. It's beautiful, right? And this is a QI side here, and it can improve light when it's connect power. So let me show you. And this is the dashboard mount. This is the event mount. This is the fast charging cable. It's Type-C port. Okay, so let me connect the power for these items and show you how it works. Amy, help me to connect the power.
Okay.
I will charge iPhone and some mobile phones. So let me charge this. This one is
Samsung S20. Yeah.
Connect power. You see, this light blue not?
Yeah.
Easy connect the power, and when you
put your mobile phone or too close and wireless charging.
Cams automatic close charging now. So you just touch here or here. There's two buttons here. Just touch one of it is okay. Then you can open. You can take out the phone. It's very easy and convenient, right? Okay. There is another color. This is dark gray color, and we also have the black color. So Amy, please show me the black color. Black. Let me show you the back side. You see the back side. You see this function. This function is beauty super capacitive. That means when your car is turned off, you can also press the button to open the clamps to take out your phone. It can open about 3 to 4 times. Yes, it's enough for you already.
And this one is black color. Two color for options.
Which one do you like? If you like our product, you can click the below link to buy it. Okay. Oh, there is I need to show you the event mount. The event mount, how to install the event mount and dashboard mount. Okay. This is event mount. I'll stand the event mount.
Yeah.
It's very strong. Yeah. You can rotation. 360-degree rotation. You see? Let me show you like this. Okay. So let me try this dashboard mount. This is our standard dashboard mount. We can adjust the length. Here, you see this here and here. You can adjust the length. You can adjust the length as you want in your car. So let me adjust the length like this. Oh, can you see clear? More fast. Okay. You can press this. You can adjust it's most strong.
Yes, very strong.
Very strong. Adjust this. You see? It's very strong here. Okay.
Okay, let's connect the power. That's how to show you.
And this is our. It can adjustable to different size for mobile phone, like iPhone, Samsung, for some bigger. If
That's
your
a Note.
yes, that's a Note series is more
Yes.
bigger, and you can adjust here to make the coil in the phone and the coil in the wireless car charger to make perfectly, so you can charge it more effectively.